Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar, and in this video I am going to demonstrate how to create and delete Filestore instances in GCP using Terraform. I have logged into my Google Cloud account. Let's check whether we have any Filestore instance exist in this account. We don't have any Filestore instance in this account. I am going to use Visual Studio Code Editor for adding my Terraform code. Already I have created a service account and I have provided the necessary permissions to create a Filestore instance. I have created keys and I have downloaded the keys.json. The keys.json has all the necessary information to connect to GCP and create a Filestore instance. Now I am going to add the providers.tf file. All the Terraform files should have an extension .tf. First I am going to add the Terraform module. So we are going to add the Google provider. So we need to provide the source, which is going to be HashiCorp/Google. Then we are going to give the version. So I'm going to give it as 5.18.0. All good. So now we are going to add the provider Google. First we need to give the project information. Okay, next we need to give the region, so which I'm going to give as US settle 1. Then we need to give the credentials, so which is already available in the keys.json file. All good. I'm going to save the changes. Now I'm going to add the main.tf file. So here we are going to add the resource, which is Google_Filestore instance. So I'm going to give the name as demo instance. Okay, so we need to give the name. I'm going to again give the name as demo instance. Okay, then we need to give the location. Location again I'm going to give as US central 1-C. Okay, then we need to give the tier, so which I'm going to give it as standard. Okay, then we need to give the file shares. So in that we need to give the name. I'm going to call it as demo NFS. Okay, then we need to give the capacity 1024. Okay, then we need to give the networks. That network I'm going to give it as default. Okay, then we need to give the modes, so which will give it as mode IPv4. Okay, all good. I'm going to save the changes. Now I'm going to do a Terraform init. Click new terminal, Terraform init. The HashiCorp Google plugin is getting installed. The Terraform has been successfully initialized. Now I'm going to do a Terraform validate to validate the configuration. The configuration is valid. Now I'm going to do a Terraform plan. So it is going to add one resource, that is the Filestore instance resource. Now I'm going to do a Terraform apply to actually create the resource. We need to provide the approval. The instance is getting created. It is going to take some time. The Filestore instance has been successfully created. Let's review that in the UI. Let's refresh. We could see the Filestore instance here. Click that. Here you'll be able to see that information about that Filestore instance, the capacity, the NFS mount point. So now what we are going to do is we are going to mount this NFS mount point in a VM. So I'm going to copy that. Already I have created a VM instance and I have installed the NFS command. So now I'm going to mount the NFS mount point. So before that, first I'm going to create a directory NFS. Then I'm going to do a mount, sudo mount, provide the mount point and then the folder NFS. It has got successfully mounted. Let's validate that. So we could see the mount point here. Now let us see how to delete the Filestore instance using Terraform. Terraform destroy. We need to provide the approval. It is destroying the Filestore instance. The Filestore instance has been successfully deleted. Let's review that in the UI. Okay, we could see that instance has been successfully deleted. In this demo, we have seen how to create and delete Filestore instances in GCP using Terraform. If you like this demo, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the demo.